Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are doing a wig review from SHEIN. Look at this gorgeous, stunning number they sent me. It is so freaking beautiful. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video, y'all, because she's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Hey y'all, hey. So we've got a SHEIN wig. All right, we got some wig caps, y'all. The wig. So here is the wig. Look at this. This wig got like 4 different colors in it. Ooh, she cute. Okay, I will have all the information on this wig in the description box for y'all. But look at the lace. The lace is pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. Lace is cut as well. I think this might be like a 5x5 closure. But again, make sure you guys check out the description box. Oh my gosh, this body wave is beautiful. It's long too. Yes, this definitely looks like a 5x5. So here is the lace. I have an adjustable strap here. We've also got the little scoops for your ears, so they're nice and comfortable. We've got a comb in the back here, and the cap is adjustable, as you can see. I love that little branding. It's so cute. Well, that is the inside of the wig. The hair smells, it's definitely giving a wig hair. Oh my gosh, these highlights are freaking gorgeous. These light highlights in the front, they go crazy. This is gonna be beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace. And then I'm probably just gonna keep it in the middle part and melt this baby down. I'm gonna put some more curls in her, and I might even like cut some layers in here too. So let's go ahead and get into this. This baby is cute. She looks beautiful. Look at her bounce. Look at all this movement. She looks good. I'm so excited to see what these little highlights are gonna be looking like in the front. Okay, you guys, so I finished up this wig. Look how it turned out really, really pretty. I put some loose curls in here, combed it out, so it's just giving like ocean wave, but it is beautiful. The highlights in the front are kind of like, they're kind of like underneath. They're like a little peekaboo, but nonetheless, it is so beautiful. The hair is not tangling at all. As you can see, it is tangle free. It's so long. Again, check the description box. I think it might be 24 inches, but let me show you guys the back real quick. So yes, this is the wig, you guys. It turned out stunning. It has so much volume, and I just used my, look at this. Wow. I just used my my wand curler here. I did cut a couple of layers in here and use my even lace bond to lay it down. Put a couple baby hairs in there, nothing too steep, laid really nice. I also put some foundation underneath the lace, and that's pretty much it. She looks beautiful, absolutely stunning. She does. Oh my gosh, I just love a new wig. I love a new wig. She looks so freaking good. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, you guys. There also should be a discount code in there as well. Comment below, tell me what you guys think about this highlighted wig. This has 3 different colors, y'all, so tell me what y'all think about these little blonde highlights in the front, and then it got the chocolate brown throughout the rest of the wig. It looks so beautiful to me, but I want to hear all about it. Thank you again, SHEIN, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.